Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
One of the reasons to split the bag of sauerkraut rather than cooking the whole thing is to prevent crowding in the pan. I really crank the heat to provide some browning to the kraut, and if there is too much in the pan, it just steams. Browned sauerkraut is really delicious.
Take our lead.
Add 1/2 cup of water or beer for every 2 cups of sauerkraut, depending on your personal preference. It should barely cover the sauerkraut. Using beer will add extra flavor. If desired, add optional ingredients such as black pepper or toasted caraway seeds.
Take our lead.
It should be cooked to a dry, but juicy stage, with the kraut itself being moist with no soupy sauce around it. In order to get it like this, the well-drained sauerkraut is sautéed first in hot fat. A little water or broth is then added and it is then cooked very slowly, adding extra liquid only if needed.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.